Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1971 Dodge Challenger convertible. Now, as you know, Dodge Challenger is the little sister to the big boy Charger. But anyway, going to the nice Challenger we have here at Skyway, features a beautiful purple exterior with the black striping, as you can see from the sides. Has the old school rims on it with the beefy Cooper Cobra tires. Spoiler in the back. You have a black, in very good condition convertible top, power doors, as you can see from the switch in there. Going into the interior, you have a black with the bucket seats, automatic on the floor. You still got the old-fashioned wooden wheel, working horn, working AC. You have the old-fashioned radio in the dash. However, I can't reach it right now. In the glove box, they added a modernized stereo system, so they wouldn't ruin the true value of the Challenger. Going underneath the hood, you have the 340, a little small block motor, nothing too powerful. Very cruising, very nice. In fact, we can give you a little bit of a brake test now. Pretty strong brakes. And of course, Dodge, Plymouth, all those guys, they were the true top of the line. In fact, you can even tell just by the door panels, they didn't do no cheap leather. In fact, strong as all heck. Yeah, very powerful, safe cruiser. But anyway, now we're gonna get it turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.